Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. This is going to be part 5, but I guarantee the last one. And this isn't going to be about the diamond shape, but it kind of is part of that other video, so I thought I'd show it. I used the twirl tool. A gentleman is making a kinetic design, and he took some time to trace something, and you could almost do it without any drawing and let Corel do something for you. And I'm actually going to do the exact same process we did with the other one. So I don't need to really go all the way around, but I am just because some of them might be a little bit different. And when I first did this, when I was playing around, I colored both colors, but I don't need that. Now we're going to move this out of the way. And just to get a little different, I'm going to group this together, Control G, and then I'm going to take a rectangle. No particular reason, but just hit it P, put it in the center of the page, and then try to go back minus front or the opposite way. And we get this, which is pretty cool design. And then go to the twirl tool. And the twirl tool is quite a bit bigger than I really need. Let's go 12 inches. And let's click on it and then twirl it a little ways and then stop and then make it smaller, like 4 inches, and go the opposite direction. Now what I need to do is take one of these colors, and we'll take that one right there and look at it. We'll move that out of the way, move this out of the way. And see, there could be some different ones. I mean, there's that shape, there's that shape, you know. Matter of fact, I like that one better. Let's go with that one. That's because of the square. Now let's put that point right there in the center. Let's make it black. And now we need to Control D and make a duplicate of it and move the center rotation to the center. Doesn't look like it is, so let's double check it. And it's not. It helps me to zoom in. And that should snap right to it. I don't know what's going on. There we go. And then manually rotate it just to kind of see what you get. You got to have the pieces not touching. And maybe this one isn't going to work, but let's go 30. Just as long as it's divisible. Control D and make it 60. Control D, Control D, Control D. And there is a design. Let's left click, right click. Let's weld it together. Matter of fact, let's make this one yellow and Control D and mirror it and make this one red. So there's your kinetic design. If one of them is, in the one feature I wish Corel did have, it would be a motion. And you could, I could have changed this thing up before I started by, making this round, and making a little bit different look. But that's a total different, way to look at something. And of course, now that it's all combined, we could just take it and make it black. And so here's the one he designed. Of course, you need to take the center out. So let's left click, right click. So you need some structure to keep it strong. And we're going to weld that together. And then there is your center wheel and your arms coming off of it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.